20歲，從細到高雄態。好是20歲嘅我，會寫定兩種立場，讓大家共下發光20歲嘅美。每擺都會有無共專長嘅外國藝術家，批定我哋共下個，共下落了下個想法。北京母族打開耳光，兩條藝術家又會帶俾我哋乜嘅想到嘅事情呢？吳蔡帝國係當有名嘅藝術家，而做得想到究極不可冇。等等我哋看我兩沙會用薯條變出乜嘅火聲。我哋下來到台灣有當到木雕嘅生意，因為我哋嘅來賓啊，來自德國嘅 Ulf 係一位當熱情嘅木雕家。We're now in Sani, and it's one of the most populated Hakka town. And Sani, it's famous, so famous for camphors, the woods.
Okay.
Camphors and cypresses.
I myself am a sculptor and I work with wood, so I'm very interested of this experience to meet Hakka people and looking forward. As my personal career, it was like ups and downs. First I studied music because my father is coming from the art department. So it was this very strong personality, so I tried to go a different way. Second very important turn in my life was becoming a father. I put the music aside and I created toys for him. So it was a very new experience to be creative, make drawings of my kids, to sculpture toys for them, and then it developed into some sort of arts and crafts.
Hello. Hello. This is my friend Ulf.
Oh, hello.
He's a German sculptor.
Everything is origin in organic, so that's my
intention.
Main idea. For example, the landscape is something like this,
okay.
And then our building is something like this.
It follows the
just follows.
Shape.
If there's a trees, and then we escape.
Okay. I really look forward to it.
And we never cut any trees, even one, like one leaf. Or we leave everything here because they comes first.
Brian 嘅意思就係樹誒沒有先來後到，用生態綠建築做設計理念，唔單止係對一片土地嘅尊重，還卡係人老大自然共同生存嘅方式。
So we talk about the natures in the buildings combined together and live together. That's the example.
Come on.
Oh.
Yeah, because of they came first, so we avoid it. Yeah.
And I see like 就是那一塊很明顯，就是它是木頭，整個是
对，砍上去，因为它这个树比较特殊，是因为它往上长，所以我们保留了一些它可以生长的空间，然后我们也没有去破坏到它的根。
What tree is this?
啊，樟树，这是樟树。
This is camphor.
Yeah.
So I bet like when you open the window, it's got.
Yeah, you can open the window. Yep. But be careful. Just smell the nature in.
I can feel it here. The building is a very delicate combination of natural materials, which is not too much worked on. I work with wood, and wood is a wonderful material. We experience here also in this house, where it's made for the ceiling or for the furniture, but you can make sculptures with it or artwork or even distill some oil from it. So it's an immensely rich material. And every person, every culture has its own way of dealing it. It's a place where the Hakka culture, they try to present themselves, to be attractive for foreigners, but also be attractive for young Hakka who are living here. So they should discover the richness of their nature and about the possibilities to be creative in this place and to develop something.
種在上面也幾大片的棕樹林，本日嘅山神有濃濃嘅藝術氣味，還卡保有台灣清風行嘅木雕文化。嘿嘿， 大家都講德國嘅工藝當優秀，一下就本意見識推辦嘅目標有幾厲害。Alright, so we're now in Sunny, the Museum of Sculpture.
Okay.
How it all started is because they used to cut trees to export it during the Japanese colonial time. So they were exporting it, and so the roots were right there. So
it was the remains, the rest.
The remains. It stayed there, and then it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So
it's a sort of very rural form.
It's probably something.
They use the tree form to shape something, some box.
So the root might just like looking like this, like it's really rough.
Okay.
So people started to think that it's beautiful, and because there are so many trees right here, so artists, they come to this region and then they take the wood and then do the carving in Sanyi.
Wow. My expectation when I come here to meet Hakka people and to meet their culture and see the artwork was really be open, be curious about new things to discover. So I don't know, I have no fixed concept what will be in the end, but I collect images and people I was glad to meet, to talk to, and then we will see. Let's look here. Oh.
The roosters have it.
Yeah, here's a very straight up position, and the cutting of the tools.
The skill itself.
It's very deep. So the light and the shadow have a good contrast.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a little bit similar with this one.
How do you say similar?
Similar in kind of making big contrasts in the surface.
Oh.
When you look at his face, the eyes are very deep in the shadow zone. He opens his mouth. He is also very dark, and then the beard comes out like.
And he's like holding
holding
something. There's
very
like
good.
the inside and outside both.
And this is his saying here.
It is.
Don't believe. It's totally different attitude.
That one is
very expressive.
This one is like so arrogant, but that one is like so hopeless.
Really?
Like, what am I gonna do in my life?
I think I'd like to see the sculpture. Do you think it's possible?
The sculptor?
Yeah.
Should I make it possible for you?
Okay.
I will.
Good idea.
I will make it possible for you. 调到岳木做嘅係黃瑞妍先生嘅作品。葉良俊唔講，你應該唔會知道係強啥人做嘅。做乜嘅會按摩相同咯？我真嘅想唔通呢，係喺夾夾希望先生好嘅。王先生，嗨，你好，
分享，
好，
你係我嘅朋友哦。
三義銅鑼來講，算係神仙。神仙也部分大部分就係客家人。我爸爸就係耕田啦，家下我自從就係第三年做雕刻。我就想講，也好啊來學看呢，到底雕刻係樣嘅。因為書誒嗬，我們平常就看到冊冊的書文咧，但係客家你就發現個書文唔係咁簡單。書文佢安尼冊冊看起來係呢，但係叫我差來差異啊。嗰個要玩法咧，客家就愛走夾嘅書文去看，冇嗬，叫我獵睇啦。所以你就知道講，做雕刻係一個有挑戰性嘅，動腦筋嘅，可能也就較合我嘅個性啦，我嘅想法啦。
Most of the some artists they want their wood to be like really flat, but then you see his work is like so rough.
OK， 刻的方式有兩種，開始家我會用這種的自動技法的方式先刻。
自動技法。
自動技法就講模像。
模像。
形狀模像就按你刻。
He got two techniques of making it. The first is like he doesn't give a thought about what he's trying to do. 這個是
自動技法刻好嘅，刻的一個長度嘅都咪將做修飾安尼。
這第二個就是修飾的，大概。Oh, so the second one is like 大概就係。
You discovered some.
大概就係第二個。
唔係，藝嘅嚟講本身係有上好嘅， 我有构图好的。我讲一个横迄铁咧，迄上痛度嘅时间，比如我卡咧某次嘢。
What I understood what you explained is a little bit like just by random making marks, like insects running around.
哦
chaotic like.
很像那种就是虫子这样，就是什么蝇啊什么那种，然后这样飞来飞去这样。
And then sometimes out of the chaos there comes a sort of structure. They run around, they concentrate on one place more because there's something, and so it's like coming out and it's more detailed.
那早期来讲，就喺书道主面欣赏嘅影响较大，嗰种虎皮，嗰种刀法块面嘅，都咪因为身体唔好，唔就会对生命有渴望啊，所以嗰种刀法就会冇办法满足秦杜翁嘅嗰种内心嘅嗰种想法，用10年嘅时间，我希望改，嗰身体唔好嘅情形来讲。刚刚的感觉就讲，岁月就会在你身上或在你的心灵上会留下一些烙印，那个烙印是它会陪伴着你一辈子的，所以呢就可以是尝试着用刀位去把跟呢人体的表面去做一个动刀位跟呢镂空也好，或者是跟呢切割也好，就按呢。因为我知道讲，佢符合我对生命的认识。
When I met Mr. Wang, it was really touching. What struck me very much was that he has gone through harsh times in his life, and he was able to make gold of it, say to change it into some form of art to express his feelings, his way of maybe also being depressed, but overcoming this depression by being creative. If everything would be perfect for a human being, I don't know if art would come up. Limited conditions drive you to find new solutions, not only in art, but in everything. You know, when the German wall came down, I thought it would be the best contribution of the East Germans for whole Germany to bring in not money, not wealth, but their skills and their creativity of dealing with their limited society and the limited resources.
我较好教吼，我还上色落去张款式去用砂纸抽钩。砂纸抽钩，甲遐压到较高的地方，跟压中的本来的书的色就会出来。
This is polished, so
压个就会有上面压天哈，上面就较淡啦，冇暗沉，没有那么
都比较
淡的。
还可以抽过个木头啊。
压咩种树，美丽来讲本身就会散去啊，其就当道的书院，书院地方有当道的种树林。清朝末年，佢到日本时代，佢就会当大量的生产种农药的。嘅地方，书的采发好后，就有当我改到嘅书件，甚至有一些进步先生，佢看到嘅书件就一讲一好看，佢就带咗去。加喺日本时代嘛，有警察选做太年，佢就许多教卡，佢也当希望嘅，佢又加佢就跟呢填买几啊件带咗去。日本去家欣赏，go 送亲戚朋友。进步欣赏，过后摆又在请个美术欣赏，日本的美术欣赏学条件，安尼就慢慢的发展出来。个也全部就喺种书件啦，种书教，也个可能后期了，可能韩国有米头啦。
就是两个种书有不同某种用嘅种吗？
有啊，有牛种，差唔多呢，专讲上种跟粗种啊。山艺的雕刻，刚刚讲的就从原木开始，之后它发展的山艺的雕刻就是这样切下来，或剪到一个木头，它都可以用。
很原始的。
对，很原始，还有很照那个。它的天然形就会看得。
This material is just for making oil, then discovered Mr. Wood the potential of doing something artwork with it, but it's also used for furniture.
基本我较大的嗰張做的。
Okay, this is too small for furniture.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if it's got a bigger
Could
one,
be,
could be.
but it's used.
有一邊咧上到較大嘅，就給廢材上較少。
这个真的很贵，对不对？
嗯，對啊。
唐登先生講嘅故事，希登講迄種淡淡嘅香味，大家有詳細看到冇？蘇珊巷風風一滴滴嘅，係夜講味道침式起嘅鑊嘅哦。 燕凤村了也係乜嘅味道啊？條家你喊下去嘅，用嘅愛den喊你暗夜你就先用香味分享愛掉。
Helga，你好，Hi。So this is the boss。你好，我係香缇。我帶幾來試看看，我用完做那個裝腦油。
有批到上上門款，
有啊，我哋啲坐嘅時間就聞到當場嘅。
當上批款啊，
哦呀，
When we were making
做的
it.
煉油。
When we were making it, we were like always smelling the sculpture. So
煉油的東西有嘛？吼，像個書的，吼，像個台地啊做雕刻呢，像書的我完整呢，也好好做嚟做雕刻。啊，其實可能像較細地呢，吼，然後呢粉碎到細細地，就做的焗油。哎，對，底下我們要打成木屑。
好，那我們來幫你。
好，你要來 ，OK。
Let's try.
小心哦。
Be careful.
啊，不耐。
阿布奈 ，Is that Japanese?
Just watch.
Just you show us.
呀，你示範我們看。
這個這樣，好。
OK。
OK。
幾個力氣動態。
唔係，嗌咩動？係嗌講條，我要彈完咯。
小心哦！
哎呀，哇！有啲。因為3年銅鑼呀條呢，但是少年天本來都野生當到藏書，故說按到人哋就中路就按嘅原因啦。3年呢，頭擺有藏路曲，火車站時呢有啲藏路曲，藏路曲講關於按照樟腦豬，有啲樹按嘅藏路油，像一條叫嘅路油呢，種下就拿嚟用鉦叫到個藏路曲豎起來，嗰張銅印呢叫移轉到日本去。來，這樣。
Oh yeah.
Does it smell different?
Yeah.
Oh.
沙士味道，佢藏書有本香樟。
香樟。
係，嗰人家有含一般很多方樟，藏書當嗰種芬芳嘅方樟，哎呀有無窮樣，也做條佢切開來，
Strong.
而做藏腦油嘅第一步係老薯條變成雞絲，冇問題，就不愛掉了助你4臂之力吧。
And now we put it into
No， 還要開電，
electricity.
電，我電啊，來翻着，好，這個要很大聲哦。
好。
I really like this guy. He just embraced us and took us in his world. So I really like to work with him. It was a very loud experience. And he was all the time we were talking without speaking the language of each other. He was very, very communicative with us. It's the perfect image for Hakka spirit, this man. Really hard labor, but always in a good spirit.
OK， 现在我们看它烫，底下有烫的时候，就到那边，很快就到那边。有没有看到？哎，有没有跟油啊？有没有颜色越来越黄？底下是，哎呀，
你油流水嘅
油。
So nice.
Good soup.
Good soup.
Good 吃啊！哇 no no。
假使每次家看到韩北地道总路游是安阳曲的，条架带定爱着行到泰国省，就本人看日报的杜峰有乜嘅料理？
哦，
And it's so beautiful from this
有
angle.
没有这个比较香 ？OK， 来。
Okay. Oh, we stand middle in the dust.
Oh my god! Yeah, it is hot.
Oh, my feet are burning.
Hot and smelling really good. I'll do a little bit of spa for my face.
Yeah, it's just one extra as this wood yesterday oil. When you cut them, it's really like revitalized or something. Yeah? Very strong. It really stuck in my mind. I think the combination of smell and memory is very strong. If you smell something and it's connected, some experience you have, it's very catalogized in your memory.
面拖老記憶，也盡曲總路嘅體驗，真係本人嘅屁股都難忘哦。還有乜嘅神奇嘅屋房見過？先來去有90年歷史嘅聖興茶站聊聊一下，準備去拜訪用樹爬來做人工嘅講師妹。等下就本人哋清明故嘅講。
Hello, nice to meet you.
So you just basically 老每一种木头聚合在一起，就是看长什么样子。然后
对对，因为树枝啊，它其实就是生长的那个曲度不太一样，所以我们就可以依它生长的不同的方式，然后运用创意啊，来做整个那个造型的组合。
大家都係你自家做嘅哦。
哦，係啊，我先生做嘅，一睇嘅啦。
哦
It's connected with the painting.
The paintings。你嗰
The officer for the train.
入邊有
聖心車站。
哦，聖心車站，
The passengers, please enter.
Please enter the
Please
shop.
enter. OK。
用树枝的原因是因为像他們雕刻來說啊，他們都會用比較塊狀的這個部分來運用啊。我想講，樹枝也部分係一般人看冇愛嘅。 比較沒有利用的價值，所以就想說我們可以利用這些小塊狀的東西，在很環保的情況下來利用它，因為它是對整個大自然、整個對大地環境來說，它是最沒有影響的。這邊請。
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
將會做乜嘅？
Some animal. Some
Animal,
animal from
yes, which one do you
beyond fantasy.
Okay.
Can imagine.
Let's do it.
If you sculpture, you have one piece of wood and your imagination was inside this wood and you try to chip off all things which are in the way of the form which you have imagined. If you collect things and combine them, it's a different way. It's more like playful. Also the coloring was, say, a little bit jokey, humorous, not so heavy.
Explain yourself. What is this?
This is me.
This is you.
Yeah.
Oh, I
I'm
can
like
see.
this. So everything is like.
And there's like the spine.
Yeah, very a little bit sticky.
Yeah.
And a bit like.
You look like a
really
pineapple.
aggressive. 2 long ears, so you can listen very carefully.
Oh.
And you?
I'm
I'm very curious about your
That's
explanation.
this me as well. So,
Okay.
我上課嘅時節啊，都冇專心啊，然後我都係用我當時欣賞啲嘅講乜嘅。
就講唔好看強任何一件事，就算愛表態嘅東西，你又會知道播了會唔會就跳出來。
你好。
好。
哦，This is
你
my
好
husband, Mr.
嗨
Lin. 嗨，你好。
嘿，你好。这一件是我开始就有小孩之后呢，就看着小孩子的成长啊，就帮小孩子记录的一个作品。嘿。
Okay, this is really abstract.
哦，这是
No, it's very realistic.
Oh my god, I didn't
That's nice.
对，这是台湾的块木，它因为它天然的木头啦，就是利用那天然像一座山一样，那我就用点缀的方式做一个小的人物在上面。嘿，我在台北的时候是做神像，做了2、3年之后呢，大陆的神像就开始大举的进来，那这个市场就开始被打乱掉了。那刚好有朋友来三义，那我就跟着他过来三立这边，那发现觉得，做雕刻其实要到三立来，这边各种资源啊、材料啦、人啊、工具这边都比较齐全，然后后来就来这边就开始转做天然的创作。
Take a look at his artwork. So everything's so huge here.
So here you are just working on some
新的
sculptural
对
work.
对，我最近想要做一系列的金庸武侠小说的系列，先锁定《笑傲江湖》里面的人物，这个是主角令狐冲。
令狐冲，
对啊，他就爱喝酒，还有他是独孤九剑，这个是任我行，可以吸取别人的功力。
But you know, this is the natural color of the wood, so the pale face and the white hands. Is it by purpose that
它的
this is?
颜色是故意的吗？就是像
这原本的木头颜色啊，这个是有上色
所以你会上颜色，
这个是有上色，身体是我把它上比较深的颜色，
This is the
所以让
original color, and this is like his paint. 那这些到时候他的脸到时候会涂在
没有涂。
But he looks like him. Let me show it to.
这木头还蛮香的哦。
It looks like you exactly.
I think there was a notable difference between many of his, say, realistic artwork and the self-portrait. The self-portrait was really serious. I really could admire it because he was really watching himself very closely. The other things were sort of realistic, but sort of conventional. There were conventions of realism in it, which he's learned someday, I don't know from where, and I think he has to overcome them to be himself, like maybe in this self-portrait standing and very subtle surface and coloring and so on. This was great, I think.
看先生拿定工具，切了下去，动作挺简单，不过通俗之前，佢一定想的千万遍，无啊，系一铺茶铺铺茶诶。你看，吴汉强先生拿佢嘅手绘粗稿本佢看呢。朽木不可雕也，本土之强不可污也。以下大家从事粉布，找书诶要做得迄部片哦。接下来，我会带定Wolf去拜访一位木匠师傅，佢啊就系一位老造书的做朋友，用佢条创作，系亲友们推荐你呢。
从哪里的？它这个做么的？
这个是一个洗手台的底下的木座，那我们想要自己做一个，所以我们就把我们的这一些旧料回收的做剩下来的旧料，我们把它凑出一个底座出来。
同样都是木材，完整的新料，我居然没有感觉。我不是不会做它，可是我对它没有感觉的时候，我不会有那么大的动力想要去成型它。可是当我看到那一些旧料、废弃的木头、老木板，我发现它带给我满满的感触。我会想要靠我的程度跟我的双手，去把我所看到的这块老木板的最美的那个韵味给表达出来。
即使是茶几的面，这里有几块？1、2、3、4块
5。
对对，5块。
There are 5 pieces。
连这个茶几我们都是这样把它凑出来。我们的家具就特别喜欢往这个方向。
带你就去请你平常找那个素材的地方。
好，来，我们来去我常去的孙老板那边，我们去那边找木料。 这个地方有很多老板自己去收来的旧料，老房子拆下来的啦，甚至是菜园里面捡的啦。以这个来说，这个就是以前的窗户，窗户的窗框料。
So this is a window
对
Yeah.
应该是底下的部分，这边还本来有轨道被拔掉。这个是块木料，这是块木，这个就是我非常喜欢的一个素材。以这个材料来说，当我要运用它的时候，这个东西我都会想把它留下来。
This part，
这个残缺，我会把它处理好，保留它的这个残缺的美感，因为这是它的真性情。
对，它原本长的样子。
对。
Very touching moment. This searching, I think it's deep in our 30,000 years ago. And this is a deep-rooted behavior, say, like this. And he's searching for things from the past. Old wood, old doors, construction, making redesign, integrating very old wood in new furniture. I was, as a carpenter, like to do something with my hands, and then came my kids, and that it was natural to start with wood. And it's the same.
万人讲新的就一定好，旧的薯条要做得有新的价值。到底为了一般的家具有乜嘅差别呢 ？Shut up and do it！
小刚，
我们现在先从这一个东西开始。我的想法啊，我们来做一个小台子。
Of course, this is very nice, and it's also from the shape. Maybe when it's a chair and I sit on, I should use it the original way. But on the other hand, the backside is also very interesting because of this detail. Maybe there's a seal inside.
We should show it to
from
the
a
camera.
Catholic church.
Yeah, because you're a Catholic.
Yeah, I'm a Catholic as
天主
well.
教徒，所以他想要就是像你的方
So
法。
I'm really in a conflict now.
这一面朝上。
It's the first big decision. You say like the original way, so
这是
it's very
原始
nice.
的。
Or should I make it the other way around? Like maybe it's a little bit some sort of concept also from him to show the hidden parts of something. But I really to solve my conflict about maybe a designer who can do it like this. Change.
Like a flipping chair.
I think it's very good. Actually, well, the chair was very comfortable for my back, but it was a little bit too small for me. I'm a little bit taller than the average here, I think. But the design of the post was very good. I was very touched by, he took old materials and he respected the surface. He didn't polish it too much, didn't close cracks and gaps in the material totally. He just let it open but made bridges over it. That was very delicate and for me new way of treating this material.
What is it about?
Yeah,
And you're not done yet, right?
No, I'm not finished because it's as always much more complicated than you guess. I will finish it in Germany and I will be glad to meet another friend. He's also a carpenter and I will present him the film and the work of him. They will really love it. Yes, paper in a German newspaper, they said in unserer Gesellschaft haben wir einen Mangel an Mangel. So we have a lack. We have too much of everything. When you don't have everything, if your resources are limited, then you have to be inventive.
Hey 天样 ，oof， 长隆底杯会出现嘅画面呢 ，oof， 实在挺好运嘞。多得拜访佢梦寐以求嘅助理，来都来嘅，俺用咩本狂速转哦，你讲系咪？
Okay, we're now visiting the master. 真紧张哦。先生，像一般嘅做嘅啊，做得上多高啊？
一做嘅吼，是按照跳模一样，跳模就是这缩到边下边，就咧动过就咧冇按过。
NDV 有动作嘅做嘅，好嘛？
有啊有啊。
我哋去試試看。
好啊好啊，等伊看啊。
好。
其實做過嘅工種吼，非常很多。做過嘅種類吼，我哋地理附近嘅吼，差唔多14種還是15種。做家己嘅吼係貓咪族、貴族，佮是族順嘅吼係陸族、貴族、馬族3種。
But it's hard to harvest it because it's very steep here. How do you have ropes to secure you from falling down?
不用了，不用，我们常常爬这个爬很快，爬来爬去都可以。像我们爬会很快，很快。
哇哦！对 ，very sporty.
好生手 That's why he looks so young.
Yeah,
he's like in the jungle every day.
那个要点哈，你那个下去，不要正面下去，你一跌倒，它会坐下去。
OK，
要身体要斜的。一滑下去，再滑
这样。OK。
身体要斜斜的。
对。
So you don't go this way, or you just go bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay, so you
just
go
one leg, just to secure your stand.
Yes. And always hold the green ones.
Avoid those.
Avoid that one. Right.
Okay. So we can copy his moves.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, watch out.
Everybody be careful.
That's great. One plant which can grow, I was 3 years old and it was a size of 10 meters, incredible. So very fast growing, same time very strong, usable for multitasking. When I think the skyscrapers, the most modern type of architecture, the construction outside is still, I think, bamboo because it's so light, it's so stable, it's elastic in itself. Or nature you can't surpass what's constructed in the nature.
上鼓手聊下你會講藝療。
好啊，好啊。
Okay. 講藝療可以下去咯。
好啊。
So this is what we're gonna make later. This is a cicada, like that. Do you know what this is?
Yes, we have it also in Europe.
Like in summertime, 夏天的时候。
对。
Always there, very.
没有这个大的是yam。对。
你说嗓音跟猛？
对，不一样。
哦，这个跟嗓音。然后这个跟。
叽。
Also, they make different sounds. The two different ones. Okay.
So we have to use the saw again.
Yeah. So. 老師，
Like the body of the.
藝療切一隻嘅。Come on!
Yeah, really. Don't give up. Oh. Better skills.
Better skills.
欣賞確實係報到位啦，兩三下就老做嘅幾多一節節嘅，其他嘅等一下要做得大展身手，也就冇學到哦。
So ugly.
No.
No. 好醜。
It's cute.
It's nice. Shame on me. Alright, never mind. 其實藝療較好咧。
Now he burns it. Maybe
it's
more flexible.
好干它比较不会发霉。它这个没有洗澡，你刚才说那个出生就没有洗澡，它这样做就可以洗澡。竹子，它这个洗澡你看。
Do you smell right now? You should do a little bit of it.
This bamboo is sometimes like a miracle. It's so strong when everything is not hurt, but when you cut slightly, when it's slightly injured, then it can crack with one moment. It's a very interesting material for many things. I think the range of possibilities is, yeah. My arms are not long enough to demonstrate what I mean. It's very low to high, from very expressive or toy to very introvert, meditative. Art has no limits to express something. We try to sculpture a sort of insect, a cicada. How do you say it?
Cicado. Okay.
I think your exemplar was recently found in the region of Fukushima.
結果我喺那個日本河仔出來嘅蠶啊。
哦。
我嘅成嘅怪怪嘅 ，and you see
But
also.
very nice. Oh,
and also this is made by master. 先生做嘅真件要當到嘅用途。Everything you can make it out of.
Drinking cups.
Drinking cups. 佢設計錯嘅。介紹一下，就是兩個做嘅係乜嘅意思，好嗎？
你按照禪思禪有啊，做禪的禪啊，禪思想思啊，禪思系列。
But as I touch it, it has an enormous density. It's pitch black. It must be hard as hell. I think it's very hard to sculpture it. I think.
鼓手做嘅時間係很費力嘅。
對，很費力，但這個打磨更費力。
你說打
磨砂紙。
How is the name of this material, of this wood? The name?
兩個木材嘅名係嘛？
木材。
按照烏木，它這個木頭啊，其實它有分皮跟肉跟骨頭，但是這木頭的骨頭是黑色的，它的肉是白色的。
哦，那這個所以兩個
它是骨頭，
已經是骨頭。
唐先生講，佢做淺有善意嘅作品，用嘅樹條係留下淺難見到嘅烏木。我查一下，發現烏木因為要前高年長衛生，故所有很多植物界嘅木乃伊。藝術家出特創意，追求100分嘅線呢，我很考會學習。這係乜嘅湖畔風光啊！本年讓你下木都吃到大餸。My Nina romantic， 係唔係我嘅 Romeo 啊？
先生，我知道你嘅錢係你去家做
嘅。
You know the speciality。
都是用台灣竹子做的。啊，台灣的竹子。
Oh, this is bamboo.
Yes, bamboo. And there is a butterflies.
美马克 ，butterfly。
Butterfly.
哎，也是马克，对啊。
You sign. In Germany, you're more. If you're a guitar maker, then you're a guitar maker. You just do just
very diverse.
And violin as well. So, but I never seen somebody who can do
everything together.
So it's universal.
We have to take a look now. 先生，等下就去看。
等下看。
好。
因其中畢業後是出來做學徒，他教人比較硬講嘛比較專注啦，比較就不服輸的個性這樣做。木雕木雕特別係木上特別民國80年以後產業外移的關係，讀外移冇過我嘅做，就是個研究做西洋嘅時間。伊都按琴做下來安尼，人做琴我提我想法用標準的琴材料做未有，真重要我做上下發展台灣的產業。我上用台灣做琴，做台體琴、宋小體琴、吉他全要安做。因為台灣的材料，我希望喺世界就用得到安尼，所以就會比較到冇共用材料安做。
2010半年做啊，2012半年做多年。
I feel like we're so small under.
You feel like.
你話咁做兩個啊？
我做琴做鋼琴做經驗。
It's incredible. It's beyond belief what this man did. And he's a generalist. He does everything, and everything in a pretty good quality. Now I'm here at the end in this self-made violin maker's factory. I'm here like being a father whose son will make instruments as well. I'm the brother of a violin maker. I myself play violoncello, so you know, when I'm at a place like this, many connections for me personally.
给他做小提琴弦。
So we're making the bowl, the strings.
The strings.
Do you know how to make it?
No.
Okay, so we learn together.
So he put some. This is the beginning.
silver.
The hook.
小條條。
Like a tail.
嚟掛上機先，掛上機。哦，你睇數一跌，跌到個小雞巢。
唐先生講做現在嘅歌聲，二鋪都是要動專心，我辦唔得，也是嘅事情，也係一種考驗。也下，我就羨慕老人講法，我會專心嘅做現在哦。
Now it is our turn.
You watch.
We do it. We won.
I'm shaking. You sing.
I hand you the holy strings.
Und now jetzt this machine.
他上去给它转，对，
So nach innen. Das ist hier. Das ist hier so rum.
对，左脚。
The left.
轻轻的，轻轻的它，轻轻的它，哦，轻轻给它转。
Oh, okay. So you step on it.
哦，太重了。
As I said, you have to control it. It's this string thing, which knocked me down, I must say. I really scared about the moment when you tell me, now try you to do it, because I knew it, I will fail totally, because it really takes a very long time, years of training to do it this perfect way he did it.
This is the ending of your journey.
Thank you to Hakka TV, and for me personally, having this wonderful experience traveling through Taiwan, meeting unbelievable gifted
People.
colleagues, artists, and
everybody
working with them, and he's a wonderful example of somebody who is always curious in his life.
Yeah.
Has interest in so many different subjects of working with the wood.
Always trying to look for different,
and
observing, keeping an eye. He's like always, 你跟每一次的那个试验，一直在寻找新的机会、新
But
的
what
可能。
really kicked me off was his skills in making strings, because just from the beginning I saw it's a master who is sitting there, and you can't just, I try this again.
It took him
needs
very long.
hours, thousands of hours of experience to tackle this material like he does it, and I will be glad to give one of his master strings to my wife. So, now let's play. In art, it's always many things come together, many. I don't know if I have problems where I travel back, because I collect all the time materials, different woods from here. Maybe I do something, combination of different materials, and then the form will be a reflection about people or the culture I met here. Hello everyone, the artwork is finished. Let's fly. I made a small helicopter with a TV camera at the front, so you can film everywhere. One of the guys is flying me over the wonderful country of Taiwan, and the back propeller is the Hakka TV Signet. The main propeller is made from bamboo, and the shape of the inner part where we sit in and the shape of the back side is contributed to a musical instrument I play, the cello. So there are many hints in this small object for you.